definition is up to you for your materials, as many as you know. Yeah, same as like this, same as this for the template. And then C, no target language, but this study case of study. If you couldn't install for the Mendeley, yeah, it is case of study. And please, how many problems, yeah, for example, the Mendeley by Windows 7, Windows 10, I don't know, and what are the problem, please write, yeah, in the point C, no target language but case of study. And the point D, yeah, this no the reading text but discussion. Reading text is discussion from question, yeah, after finish answering my question and your friends, yeah, from the audience, how many question. For example, you have or you are consist of 3 person, so I would give you 3 question. And from the audience, same as at least 3 question. Yeah, and then write in the point D the discussion, yeah, for the title, the discussion. Please write number 1, 2, 3, yeah, answer and question. Is it clear? And exercise is up to you from the materials or from the Mendeley. Yeah, please write. It's up to you. And give references. Okay, next. Is it clear for the group 1? The revision for the template, yeah, you have to be same as, yeah, right, same as the template, yeah, that I had given. Okay, and next, for after characteristic and give the example for the materials. And there are you use the Mendeley site, Mendeley application, number 1 and number 2, group 1.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, ya, by Mendeley application. Okay, ya, okay, no target language ya. C, that is, should be, harusnya gimana tadi Ibu bilang? The case of study, ya, the problem if you couldn't install the Mendeley site. What are the problem? Sebutin masalahnya apa. And give the solution. Ya, no target language. Target language especially from the group 2 to 7 maybe. 7 ya. And group 8 talking about the written expression. 9 and 10 reading comprehension and listening comprehension ya. No the target language, only group 2 until 7. Clear? No target language ya. Ini masuknya the case of study and give the solution if you have the problems. Step to use Mendeley. In the point D, I said before, you have to write the discussion, yeah, question and answer from me and your friends. No give step by step for using Mendeley application, ya. Ini nanti terpisah saja juga, jangan ditulis di sini. No write in the if you use the Mendeley site, ya, please write in your material. Jadi taruhnya di sebelum masuk ya in point C. Jadi masukkan ini termasuk materi ya, Mendeley application. Please write. Sorry. Moment please. Sorry. Ya, for D, talking about the discussion, only write answer and question from me and your friends, and the Mendeley application materials before in the point C. Yeah, this is include of the materials for using the Mendeley application. Yeah, and next, now the reading text. Yeah, reading text especially for group 2 to 7. It's okay if you have in the point D or E exercises, answer the following question correctly. This from the material footnote, quote, and bibliography ya. Isn't it? Iya kan ini masuk ke kategori the material ya. And identify whether the following statement refers to, okay, same as the question. And references. Okay. How many references for your paper? Group 1. How many? Mention. I show in the page. Please write the page number. You don't have the page number, tolong tulis lengkap ya. Ini halaman keberapa? Ya. For the first reference, Setyo Nugroho Wibowo. In the second, S. Bronto. Okay, in the please. Iya, only 2 ya. Bronto and Wibowo. Ya, okay. Any question before explaining from your PowerPoint from the group 1?
No, miss.
No, clear? Yeah. Please be on cam all of them because I have some students in literature English, yeah, and get or follow the exam prediction TOEFL. Yeah, I couldn't be on time. Sorry, be on cam. Yeah. Okay, if you are clear, yeah, for my explanation, is it clear? So you said clear, ma'am, no question. Yeah. Next week before Thursday, please give me soft file and no revision anymore. Yeah, for the group 1. Okay? Yeah. Okay, right now please share to the screen first. How many slides do you have?
10, miss.
10? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. So it right now.
Okay, miss. Thank you.
You're welcome. Hmm?
Wait a minute.
Step by step for your
Okay, miss.
Mendeley
Wait a
application.
minute. What?
Okay. No, talking about the materials about footnote, quote, and bibliography. You
Uh, this page is about talking about the apa Mendeley and footnote.
okay, first footnote. First talking about the material. It's what slide.
Wait a minute. Okay. Hello everyone. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Uh,
warahmatullahi.
Good morning, everyone. Today my group wanna tell you about the footnote and quotes and bibliography, and we will give you example. So before we continue our presentation, let me introduce my teammates. Uh, the first one is me, Muhammad Beryl Fiakram Sharidan, as a leader, and the second is Alia Salsabila, and the third is Aris Putra. So without further ado, uh, let's talk about it. Please, Alia.
Okay, first concept definition. In the academic world, it is essential for writers to include references to ensure that their work has a valid and acceptable foundation. Three main elements are commonly used: referencing, footnote, quote, and bibliography. A footnote is not placed at the bottom of the page to provide additional information about a set search. The primary function of a footnote is to offer further clarification regarding a reference or a specific context in the text. Next, a quote is the use of statements from other search to support argument in academic writing. Quote can be direct quotation, which copy the text exactly from the search, or in indirect quotation, which paraphrase the content in the writer's own words. Let's a bibliography is a list of references that includes all search used in writing. The bibliography is usually placed at the end of the document and follows a specific format according to academic standards. Next, next slide, please. Step by step, how to download and install Mendeley. First, visit Mendeley website. Two,
So sorry, Alia.
yes, miss.
I mean, if you have step by step, yeah, that I said before, that I said last week, you have to give explanation or simulation spontaneously directly to your friends and give the, I mean, tutorial, yeah, uh, directly for your friends. For example, please, after, jadi digerakkan, apa yang namanya itu kalau disebut tutorial ya.
Oke, miss, kita ada videonya juga, miss.
Video tutorial yang nanti langsung secara langsung dipraktekkan ya. Bukan video yang sudah di-save. Is it clear? Jelas?
Clear, miss.
Yeah, okay. So this for the note, footnote, quote, and bibliography is uncompleted, tidak lengkap. How many slides? Because I asked you first, yeah, this only concept definition, yeah, in your papers. So I ask you, the PowerPoint refers to who refers atau what's refers? Mengacu ke apa? Kalau kalian sudah membuat ya, if you have known the PowerPoint and then refers to the paper. And in your paper, moment please, is complete, yeah, for giving the material description, not only concept definition. Yeah, there are types, characteristic, yeah, example, yeah, by all of the uh, footnote, yeah,
Sorry,
quotation.
ma'am.
Yes, okay.
That will be explained by another member with my member group. I mean, it's not finished.
Another member, what it mean?
Yeah, I mean, uh, Alia hasn't be done to explain that our PowerPoint. There are 10 slides in our
Mhm.
PowerPoint and isn't finished. I mean,
No, hasn't be done, hasn't done. Belum dikerjakan
pardon me.
atau belum mengerjakan?
I
Ya,
mean, hasn't reading.
hasn't read. Ya,
Yes,
oke.
ma'am.
Hasn't been. Ya, oke. Kalau hasn't been. So, okay. Please show your slide. I want to know slide next. Step by step next. Next. Ya, oke. Example and characteristic. Same as in the paper. Yeah. So in you use footnote, there are various types of footnote, various types of quote, various types of bibliography, yeah, and give many example. And please, for the materials about the Mendeley, ya, after finish explaining the materials, ya, nanti tolong letakkan untuk especially for the Mendeley, ya, application under the materials first. Is it clear? Jadi ini masih loncat-loncat nih. Yang pertama, coba scroll up please for the first slide. The first definition. Next, ya, concept definition. And next. Nah, kan ini tadi tidak benar. Setelah, okay, after learning, after explaining step by step for the Mendeley. Okay, next. Okay, step by step. Any else? Okay, next. Yes, okay, next. Ya, okay, next. Ya, this. Kan jadi loncat-loncat kan? Ya, example of a footnote, example of a quote, example of bibliography before explaining step by step for the Mendeley application, ya. Sesuaikan dengan yang tadi ada di makalah. Jadi tadi for the materials and then finish writing in the paper for the materials and then step by step for the Mendeley application, ya. Sequence of the PowerPoint same as in the paper. Is it clear? Alia, Akram, and Aris Putra, ya?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Maybe you don't read anymore for the step by step for the Mendeley application. Yeah, if you have the tutorial, yeah, spontaneously is okay. If we have the time, that enough the time is okay. Yeah, after you have to answer correctly from me and answer correctly from your friends. So session of question, give a simulation, and I want to know that is true or false. Yeah. Okay. Maybe for Alia, your explanation until only the step by step. Yeah, okay. Read first, but the sequence is still false, yeah? Okay, next. Okay, Alia, what's the page number? What's the slide? Hello, Alia. Are you there? Okay, maybe Aris Putra, if Alia.
Sorry.
Yeah, okay.
Step by
Please.
step, how to download and install Mendeley. First, visit Mendeley website to create an account or sign in if you already have one. 3. Download Mendeley Reference Manager or Mendeley Desktop. 4. Install, open Mendeley and login. 5. Install Mendeley Set for Word. In Mendeley, go to Tools, install Mendeley Set for Microsoft Word. Next. Next slide, please. Step by step, importing reference from Google Scholar. 1. Open Google Scholar and search for an article. Click Set, select Recommend or BibTeX, then download. Let's import into Mendeley. Open Mendeley, File, Import, Select, and Download File.
Step by step, creating footnote. First, place cursor where you want to cite. To use Mendeley cite, go to reference, Mendeley cite, insert citation, and select the reference. 3. Convert to footnote. Click reference, insert footnote, and move the citation. Next. Step by step, creating a bibliography. First, ensure references are in Mendeley. 2. Inward place cursor in the bibliography section. 3. Click insert bibliography in Mendeley site. 4. Select citation style. Next. Step by step, creating quote citation. First, insert citation using insert citation. 2. Use quotation mark for direct quotes. 3. Add page number. Click edit citation and enter the page number.
So there are two example of footnote you can see on my screen. There is a number on the upper of the rows. That's mean more. That's mean to explain more information about that sentence, and you can see on the second of paragraphs there is number 2 and the phenomena that's mean about the meaning of the main of text. Okay, uh, we go to the example of quote usage. There is a quote from Wibowo, and there is explain about what did Wibowo say when especially when he talk about the geology and their explanation by Wibowo's perspective. And there is example of bibliography. In Indonesia, we say daftar pusaka as a similar like that. And maybe that's all from my group. Thank you for attention. If there is any question, we just accepted 3 questions from audience, and thank you. And for not late, and thank you.
Okay, finish. That's all.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please write. Be mute, please. Okay. Why stop sharing for your PowerPoint? Why? I couldn't give you some question. Yeah. So don't stop sharing.
Sorry, miss.
Yes. Okay. Yeah. For the PowerPoints and the paper have many revision. Yeah. For me, please give revision and then give me by show file. After I'll check it out that is no revision anymore is okay. Yeah, please share to the to Prameswari, yeah, to make in the Google Drive for all the groups. Maybe before facing the midterm test, there are four, yeah, four groups. First, conducted by online, only the first group, yeah. That please promise me next week before today and is related by the Mendeley application. So what the function? Yeah, what are the function for objective of the study? Yeah, because I will give you the materials for all. What are the objective of the study? For quote, for footnote, and bibliography. Okay, mention one by one. Tujuan pembelajaran, ya, spesifik, please. Or what are the function, ya, for quotation, for footnote, for bibliography, ya, after you have known for all the materials, ya, about that. Ayo, Alia. First, talking about quote. What are the function or what are the objective of the study? Ayo, read first.
Okay, Miss. The learning objective for footnote and bibliography. Footnote to understand how to provide additional explanation or reference at the bottom of a page. Foot to learn how to correctly cite and integrate direct or indirect quotation and academic writing. Bibliography to properly research used in research following citation standards.
Okay. So, for the footnote, give you provide additional information, ya. Yeah, you said that explanation not included in the main text. Yeah, if you use in the footnote, yeah, the characteristic for using footnote, yeah, are not included in the main text. It means, especially for the body note, okay, body note only in the main text, ya, before writing in the footnote. So, differences between footnote and quote. Okay, next question. Please write my question and then after answer question correctly, please write in the paper, yeah, for point maybe point C or point D for discussion. Jadi discussion, there are question from me, yeah, and then question from your friends. Okay, clear? So please write in your notes that my question is, give what are the objective of the study, talking about the footnote, the quote, and the bibliography. And then finish answering from Alia, yeah, for the objective of the study. And next, in the second question for me, can you give me differences between, yeah, by using quote and footnote? Please give the specific characteristic. Okay, so the question number 2. Jadi tolong dicatat tadi pertanyaan Ibu apa, pertanyaan kedua apa, ya, and give to all of the group, ya. There are 3 person. Nanti tolong ditulis. Pertanyaan ini diberikan ke Alia, jawabannya apa, ya. Please write in the discussions point. Okay, Alia. Please answer. So, if you have known the objective of the study, talking about your materials, so I want you answer my question about differences between footnote and quote. How do you know that is include of footnote or that is include of the body note or is called quote? Yeah, please answer correctly. If you have known how to make the footnote, how to make the quote, it's okay, it's up to you. Ya, by specific characteristic. Nanti pertanyaan Ibu, ya, for my question, ya, in the groups, ya, conducted by online, conducted by offline, ya, maybe I would give you before facing the midterm test, ya, if we have the time, give you the quiz, ya, by my question. Ayo Alia, quickly please.
Yes, Miss. Difference between quote and footnote. Quote itu quote used to insert a direct to indirect statement from another source into the main text.
Footnote, the main text.
Yeah, the main
Is it
text.
true? Footnote in the main text that I said provide additional information or explanation that are not included in the main text for footnote. True or false? Yeah, you are still false. Don't forget footnote that are not included in the main text.
Itu could miss yang main text.
Footnote.
Footnote provide reference, additional explanation, or comments at the bottom of the page.
Okay. Yeah. Footnote ya. Review please. Kenapa ya? Okay. Footnote explanation that are not included in the main text. Yeah, and then be placed under its page. Yeah, so give the sequence of number appropriate for the body note. Okay. and information, additional information from the quote. Yeah, okay. Next. Now about quote.
Okay.
Characteristic.
Quote. This is a direct excerpt from a source used to support your argument or provide evidence. It usually placed within the main body of the text.
The main body. Suaranya be mute, please. Yeah. For quote, you said that there are direct quotation, indirect quotation. It's up to you. But if you have known the quotation and footnote, how to make the characteristic, yeah, in the body note, yeah, is called quotation, ya, by using in the bracket. Di dalam kurung apa saja yang terdiri itu? Coba quotation dulu, please. Write the quotation first untuk Alia. Ya, quotation in the bracket di dalam kurung, they are the points, they are the information about. Coba kalau quotation kan letaknya di body note, ya, in the format text. Jadi harus tahu kira-kira which the more details and which more detail. Jadi harus tahu mana yang lengkap, mana yang tidak lengkap dalam memberikan, ya, in the footnote or in the quote. Kira-kira penulisannya seperti apa? In the quote first. Ayo, please. Quickly. Do you understand for my question? Especially for quotation, there are, coba sebutin.
In the citation, brackets, and ellipsis.
What it mean ellipsis? Apa tuh ellipsis? Ellipsis, it could be omitted the word. Ya, ada pemenggalan kata. So, in the quotation, there is an ellipsis that you said are, apa coba? Yang kira-kira yang dipenggal tuh apa saja?
Ellipsis is a series of 3 dots used introduce omitting words in a quote, trailing off a talk, creating a pause for effect.
Yes, that is all about ellipsis. Ya, ellipsis material, ya, by omitting the words. But I want to explain, ya, in the bracket for using quotation are, di dalam quotation itu apa saja, Alia? First, talking about the author. Kita hanya membicarakan hanya seputar ini. Ibu tidak membicarakan di luar materi kalian.
First, the author name. Second, the title of the book or journal.
No. Quotation. Quote. Kutipan. No footnote. So more undetailed. Ya, only 2 or 3 points. Jadi harus tahu mana yang masuk ke dalam kategori kutipan, quotation, or criteria of the footnote. Ibu hanya berbicara only 2 points, quotation and footnote. Jadi kalau if you have known about the quotation in the format ya, in the main text, so consists of in the bracket dalam kurung the author names and then by a comma, terus apa lagi Alia? By giving the
Publication.
publication.
Kalau page number?
No. Ini quotation loh. Quotation itu undetailed. Only 2 or 3 points. Hanya ada 2 sampai 3 points. Makanya dimasukkan ke dalam teks utama, the main text. Jadi after writing the author names by a comma, so write the year. Ya, after the year, give the colon, kasih titik 2. Ya, give the colon and the page number. Only that. Atau ada juga yang menyebutkan hanya the author name and the year. Ya, but if I have to ask you in your description, I don't want to write that. Ya, kalau Ibu jadi penguji, Ibu tidak mau hanya menulis tahunnya saja. Ya. So for all my students in the description exam, please bring the books, please bring the journal, please bring from the website or internet. Itu untuk membuktikan bahwa pengambilan referensi yang kalian ambil adalah sudah akurat. Ya. So you have to get a sanction ya. Jadi nanti bisa mendapat dendanya kalian ya. Get kalau mengambil dari sumber referensi tapi tidak menyebutkan ya baik nama, tahun apalagi halamannya dan menambahkan ya additional writing itu tidak izin dengan yang penulis pertamanya, penulis aslinya. Nah, ini harus menulis so the name of author and the year and the page number, especially for the quotation. Okay, Alia, please write ya, my answer. And next about the footnote. Ayo, satu lagi footnote. Tadi baru quotation. Kalau footnote seperti apa? Ayo, that you said before.
First, the footnote. First, the author's name. Second, the title of the book or journal.
Okay.
Lastly, the year of publication.
Only that? The printing, the journal, the year, the page number, yeah, and the issues. Okay, it's up to you. Complete, yeah. By more detail, then we use quotation or quote or citation, ya. I don't know, it's called sebutannya sama saja. Quote, quotation, citation, or etc. Ya. Okay, I think finish for Alia. Please give me answering to Aris Putra. Okay, Aris, ready?
Ready, Miss.
Okay. For talking about bibliography, yeah, bibliography, can you give me for the objective of study, what are the function for you, especially for students in university? Okay, mention one by one. Yeah, okay, please quickly. conducted by online. Yeah, if your lectures asks about many question, so you could open, yeah, from the internet, yeah, from the website, from the other source, yeah, it's up to you, from the books, from the article, from journal, or etc. So please make a conclusion. Jadi kalau kalian sudah melihat pertanyaan dosen ini seperti apa, especially for online ya. Kalau online berarti kalian bisa membuka new tab. Ya, it's up to you from the other source, but you have to make some conclusion. Ya, jangan membaca secara keseluruhan, dibaca persis ya by the menggunakan bahasa baku. Itu pasti dosen sudah tahu. Ya, so explanation and give conclusion after you have known for your answering to your lecture. Yeah, okay, please. Aris?
Okay, Miss. The objective of a bibliography is to provide a comprehensive list of the source reference in a piece of work, ensuring transparency, credibility, and proper attribution.
Ensuring transparency. What it mean transparency? Ensuring. Can you explain more? Especially only the bibliography. What are the function or what are the objective of study? Yeah, okay. Repeat. Give the function of the bibliography, maybe for this moment, no relating for the Mendeley application. I asked to the last to Akram. Okay, Aris. After you have known the materials and you have found in the other source, so the conclusion are for the bibliography. Setelah kamu lihat, setelah pelajari, ini daftar pustaka ini sebenarnya apa yang ada di daftar pustaka? For example, to give information completely. Bisa kan seperti itu? Ayo, please be edit the statement. Tolong tambahkan statementnya.
The bibliography contains information about the book title, author's name, publisher, and so on.
Yeah, that is for the points, yeah, for in the bibliography. But the function, fungsinya untuk apa? Kalau tadi Alia have finished learning or have finished explaining differences between footnote and quotation. And now bibliography. Give information completely about the source, about the references. Kan ngambilnya dari referensi. Ya, that it use in your writing, di dalam penulisan, di dalam tulisan. Lalu untuk pembacanya, how about the reader? Dengan adanya daftar pustaka, supaya bagaimana sih pembacanya? Kan seperti Ibu, ini dari mahasiswa skripnya sudah Ibu terima. Lalu Ibu lihat di daftar pustakanya, apakah sudah akurat atau belum. Ya, Ibu buka lagi. Oh, ini ternyata hanya memasukkan ya in the bibliography from other source but not in your format text ya, in its pages. Ya, in its page, in other pages. Jadi dari beberapa halaman Ibu cari nih. Kemarin juga ada mahasiswa atau dari prodi mana Ibu lupa ya. Ketika Ibu baca makalahnya, makalah walaupun masih latihan, Ibu lihat, why you give me many references ya in the bibliography. But after I show in the its page, no talking about the references. Ketika Ibu lihat, ya banyak dari mahasiswa Ibu yang sudah Ibu uji, banyak sekali memasukkan daftar pustaka. Ini sangat berbahaya ya. Kalau dipublish akan kena plagiarism. Plagiarism by word, by sentence, by clause, or all of the words. Ya, apalagi dengan memasukkan daftar pustaka tanpa menyebutkan kutipannya mana yang diambil. Ya, jadi kesimpulannya apa, Aris? For the reader, find the original source if we want to learn further easily atau easiest ya. Easier boleh is up to you kata-katanya. Jadi memudahkan pembaca nanti akan menemukan sumber aslinya jika ingin mempelajari lebih lanjut. Kan kalau penelitian baik makalah ataupun ya skripsi, tesis atau disertasi itu akan diteliti kembali oleh ya selanjutnya maka ada penelitian terdahulu. Jadi ini sangat penting ketika melihat bibliografi. Oh, ini sumbernya sudah akurat dan saya mau lihat dulu ke halaman. Setiap halaman apakah sudah tercantum ya is mentioned in its paragraph, in its pages. Ya, ini yang Ibu maksud. What are the function? Tadi sudah ditanyakan juga mengenai quote and footnote. And for the writer, tadi information for general information yang pertama. Yang kedua, information to the reader. Nah, sekarang yang ketiga, information to the writer atau the author. Berarti kita sudah tahu ya that the writer have done ya to research and reader from the other source. That's all, itu saja. Jadi yang penting, oh kita tahu. Jadi tidak hanya ini bisa lihat template-nya langsung dibuat-buat tapi tidak tahu artinya. Ya, you have been on the second semester ya, but you have to nanti mengajukannya in Win Sarif Hidayatullah. I don't know what's the 5th semester or in the 6th semester seminar proposal. Apalagi kalau sudah mau dipublish, harus ada turnitinnya. Berapa persen? Nah, ini yang sangat penting ya. Dan ketika mengambil dari sumber lain, kutipan-kutipan, lalu dijadikan footnote, ya ini sangat penting. That is the most important things and by related ya from the Mendeley application. Okay, is it clear, Aris? And then you have written my question and my answering is related for you explain before. Jadi tadi sudah Aris sudah menjelaskan, Ibu tambahkan lebih lengkap ya, more detail by the from tadi siapa Alia and Aris. Clear for quotation? footnote and bibliography ya. Jangan lupa ditulis and then write in the point D, discussion. Okay, now the last. Oh my God, 36 past 9, 36 or 37. Okay, Akram, your nickname, I call your nickname
Akram. Just Akram.
Akram. It's okay, Akram. Okay, Akram. Uh, for relating by Mendeley site or Mendeley application, I know what are the function for the Mendeley application.
Okay, Miss. In my opinion, there are a lot of information like bibliography and footnote and quotes to organize and to manage. That's all of information. We need to tools to manage efficiently, and then that is the function of Mendeley tools, I think.
Okay, so the Mendeley is
The
application,
tools,
yeah,
yes, the tools
for
for organize our information reference, especially uh, efficiently. I think that
efficiently and accurately,
yes,
yeah, to help uh, writing citation and bibliography in science notation, ya. For
yes, miss.
example, makalah or skripsi. Yeah, okay. And according to you, if you have known the Mendeley site or the Mendeley application, so you have to find, yeah, not only how to uh, apa ya, how to use or how to give step by step, yeah, for using Mendeley application, but you have known about the Mendeley. There are two Mendeley automatically, yeah, use Mendeley automatically or uses Mendeley manually. Can you give me differences between automatically and manually? What are differences?
Okay. Based on my researches that I have ever read uh, about the manually, you will get any trouble with uh, the researchers, especially because you don't know the researchers is correctly or not. But in another hand, with automatically, especially in the Mendeley, you just have to put it bibliography and quotes and footnote, and then it's just like a magic, and then it will be show that everything is will be fixed and correctly. I think that is nice.
Yeah, okay, thank you. But now giving specifically what are the characteristic of automatically and manually, ya, Akram. If you have the Mendeley's by automatically, so you have known about if you use automatically from the, I don't know, for your paper and for the PowerPoint, give operate to step by step, yeah, and then after click the Mendeley uh, application and then go to Mendeley, and I forgot for the step by step. And then if you have known the differences between, yeah, automatically and manually, that is different for giving step by step, yeah. in the automatically after your cursor, click in the left and then please find add files. If you have known add files, until the add files, so find from the authors, journal, article, or it's up to you. And don't forget, uses by double click, for the name files in the journal, and have already done for the PDF, text. So if you have the PDF text for the journal, article, and add files, so continue and you have found in the after inserting citation, ada insert citation, berarti di sana nanti ada add files, and add files find from the journal, by the PDF format, PDF text. And if you haven't understood about the manually, in the laptop, if you have installed no add files, jadi harus mencarinya add entry manually. After add entry manually, so please write manually, in the bibliography. Jadi harus cari add entry manually, bukan add files lagi, but no format in the PDF. Bedanya tidak diformat secara dengan menggunakan PDF. And then please answer, for example, for the author's name, for the journal, for the year, for the volume, and etc. by manually. Okay, and then save. Is it clear, Akram? Please find the materials automatically and manually. What should you do?
Copy, Miss.
Okay. The last one from Akram, I want you in the Mendeley site or Mendeley application, it could be used and then it could ask about what styles do you want. Okay? Ada pertanyaan, style apa yang kalian inginkan? So, so you have known there are three. For example, by APA, MLA, and one more by Chicago styles. Okay, what should you do? What should you find with APA, with MLA, or with Chicago? Okay. Mention. Apa bedanya 3 style tadi? Karena nanti ada pertanyaan in the Mendeley site. What styles do you want? Berarti nanti kalian menulisnya, saya pakai apa ya? APA, MLA, atau Chicago?
Oh, okay. Based on my experience, based on my researchers, the difference between American Psychology Association and Modern Language Association and Chicago Style is in American Psychological Association is used in psychology, education, and social science, and in Modern Language Association, they use common in literature, arts, and humanities, and in Chicago styles, they often use in history and some social science.
Okay, how about your majoring? Which APA, MLA, or Chiego. For especially for you said that humanities by MLA or by APA, humanities.
I think there are two questions for your answer for your question. APA is I think APS is the best style that I have choose, and Chicago styles can be the option maybe.
Yeah, okay. For APA, especially uh, for social sciences, education,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah.
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Okay, psychology, and your majoring is science. So please choose APA, yeah, for you said that is easiest, that is simple, yeah. Then we use MLA or Chicago, ya, MLA, especially for humanities, itu untuk kayak mahasiswa ibu yang sedang ujian hari ini, ya, literature, language, arts, or culture studies. And for the Chicago, for complicated, ya, more complex than APA and MLA, ya. But don't worry, I'll make it simple. Chicago is big, yes, for history, ya, for art, for logic, and etc. Okay, thank you for Akram and other friend Alia and Aris.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, time is enough. And question from your friends until 10 because in the Mendeley application no giving simulation. Jadi ibu maunya simulasinya gimana ya? Pakai bahasa Indonesia aja biar jelas ya. Simulasinya seperti ada beberapa yang sudah benar. Jadi simulasinya langsung misalnya Akram langsung memberikan simulasi secara langsung ya in the slide. Jadi usahakan jangan sampai nge-lag atau error connectionnya. Jadi langsung dibuktikan dengan kursornya. Klik ini nanti akan muncul, klik ini lalu akan muncul lagi seperti itu. Jelas nggak Akram? Jadi
Yes, ma'am.
simulation, ya simulasinya langsung dipraktekkan di online.
Right now.
Okay, not right now.
Oh, okay.
Maybe next. Please give me by show file ya, by tutorialnya nanti after finish for facing the final test. Nanti di akhir semuanya ada video tutorialnya ya, and your assignments. Okay, 10 minutes more. Question. Okay, Akram, it's up to you. Please ask to your friends. Okay, my friends, it's time to give us some question. At least 3 questions. And then don't forget write. Yeah, in your discussion. Yeah, Akram, please ask to your friend. Okay, my friends.
Okay. If there is any question, just ask. Thank you. Unfortunately, we just have to. We are just accepted 3 questions.
3 questions. Okay.
Maybe.
Mention your names. Gatan. Okay, Gatan is the first. Will be the first. Okay, Gatan and Prames. Gatan, please your question give to Alia first.
Okay, so
Yeah, Prames give to Aris and one more. Yeah. Okay.
yeah,
Gatan.
if I may ask about one thing, I wanted to ask about the footnote. How do footnote differ from the endnotes in terms of placement and purpose?
Okay, Alia. Is it clear? His question from Gatan. Repeat or no?
So, what are the difference of footnotes and endnotes, but in terms of placement and purpose?
Yeah. Clear ya, Alia? If you don't, if you are not clear, please Gatan make WhatsApp to Alia. Ya. In bahasa is up to you. Ya, for being clear. Clear, Alia? No repeating anymore?
Clear, Miss.
Yeah, okay. Next, from Prames.
Okay, so I want to ask regarding the bibliography for Aris. What is the difference between a bibliography and a reference list?
Okay. Is it clear, Aris? Oh,
Yes,
15
mate.
minutes more. Prames? 15 minutes more? Yes, that's true. Ya, oke. Batas maksimum 1 jam. You don't have the Teams, Microsoft Teams, unlimited, same as other friends, same as other majorings. Nggak ada Teams-nya. Microsoft Teams nggak punya ya? Nggak ada akunnya kan dari Win.
Ada, Miss, ada.
Ya, maybe next week ya, Prames. Ya, oke. To Akram, one question more. Ayo, quickly please. From?
Yes, ma'am.
Ya, ini so sorry. I'm afraid it's finished for the limited time. Please stop sharing. Akram, stop sharing first. Nanti sambil menunggu jawabannya, tolong difoto dulu. Give a capture ya, Prames. Ayo, be on cam sambil menunggu jawabannya. While your friends find for the answering. Question one more, give to Akram. Ya, you use the laptop, Prames?
Yeah, Miss.
Iya, oke. Sambil menunggu jawaban, tolong difoto dulu ya, di capture. How many capture? Ya, ready for all? Be on cam?
Done, Miss.
No sounding ya. Harusnya bilang 1, 2, go. Nah, gitu. Oke. Oke, Alia. You wanna answer?
Okay, Miss. The key difference between footnotes and endnotes is interpretation and placement. Footnotes appear at the bottom of the same page where the reference or note is made. Endnotes are placed at the end of a document, chapter, or book gathered together in one section. Purpose footnotes provide immediate reference or clarification to the reader without interrupting the flow of the text. Endnotes are often used to avoid clutter on the page and to provide more detailed explanation or extensive citation.
Okay, differences between footnote and endnote. I asked to Gata. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Miss. It's clear.
Yeah, okay. Next, from Prames to Aris.
Yes, miss. What is the difference between a bibliography and a reference list? A bibliography includes all source consult during your research, while a reference list include only the source cite in your work.
So, specific differences, references and bibliography. Ayo, spesifik. Bedanya di mana? reference, references, bibliography. In the bibliography, find from the footnote. And then from the footnote, find from the body note. In the format text in each page. So the conclusion is, Aris, bedanya apa reference and bibliography?
Bibliography offer a broad overview of all source consulted. Reference lists provide a focused list of only those sources that were cited in the work.
Yeah, okay. I think finish. Prames, is it clear?
Clear,
Still
Miss.
confused? Oh, kenapa ngangguk-ngangguk kamu? Kayaknya belum setuju. Deal or no deal?
I think it's clear. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Next, one more. Give to Akram. For Mendeley is okay. And then Mendeley are related by the footnote, bibliography, or body note. It's up to you. Okay, question please. The last one. Okay, Muhammad Yasser.
Okay. Akram, I want to ask you something about tutorial how can gitu. I want to ask, how do we make citation from books that we have, but we don't have the file format?
The file format, so you
Yes.
use automatically or you use manually if you don't have the format by PDF?
I'm just having the book, not the file.
Okay, from the book.
Yes.
Yeah, okay, not in the file. Okay, what should you do, Akram? Maybe you have an opinion, some conclusion is up to you. Okay.
Okay. First of all, thank you for Gaizan. Based on my experience, I have ever read books, and then in this book there is a citation that show the name of the quotes and the kind of books that they use to another book. And if you have a book and you have to use in your file, especially on your document, you just have to put in a name by who is the mind of this book. I think that is the answer.
Okay. The conclusion. I'm just write manually from Mendeley, like the authors.
Yes.
Okay. Clear, Miss. Thank you, Akram.
My
Clear,
pleasure.
yeah. Okay. Thank you for all by the question. Don't forget, Alia, please help your group and write all of the question, and then please give the right answer, for me and from your friends, and please be revise for your paper and for your PowerPoints, and same as the template. Any question for this group? Maybe you are still confused. Clear for all?
Clear, Miss.
Yeah. Okay. Next week, don't forget to give all the PowerPoints, from the group 2 to 9. And I would have given about the material from the reading comprehension and listening comprehension, yeah, by the materials, yeah, all of them, and give the PowerPoints, only the PowerPoints, no the paper, ya. Please give me, misalnya, Bu, saya belum ini apa mendapatkan, boleh silakan. Kalau studi kasusnya belum mendapatkan tapi sudah ada bayangan, silakan nanti Ibu arahkan. Ya, I will check it out next week. Okay, any question for next week? Ready for your assignments?
Miss, I'm sorry. I
Yes,
have a
Gatan.
question regarding the. So I'm the third group of this class, right? It's about the. I think if it isn't wrong, it's about adverb and adjective confusion. Tapi
Adjective and adverb confusion and sensation.
yeah, sensations.
Yeah, okay.
And specifically, it's referring to mining engineering, ya kan?
Yes, okay.
Article about mining engineering. Thing is, when I search about the articles and mining engineering, it barely uses the adjective and verb at the same time.
Yes,
Uh,
okay.
Adjective and adverbs at the same time, so it's quite hard to actually search
It's
the
quite hard.
examples.
What it
Yeah,
means quite hard.
yeah, it's
For your reading text, please find glossary of management, glossary of your majoring, especially mining. And then after you have found, the reading text only by article, so is related by your materials. For example, the function of adjective mentioned one by one, the function of adverb mentioned one by one, and please find still confused. Kenapa dibilang confusion? Ya, after finding in the other source, nanti dihubungkan ini Gatan, ya, antara reading text istilah-istilah pertambangan, nanti berupa artikel dihubungkan ke materinya. Jadi bukan menghubungkan antara istilah manajemen, kenapa Ibu manajemen terus ya? Istilah pertambangan, ya, dihubungannya ke materi. Jadi artikelnya nanti, misalnya temannya bilang, please find from the first paragraph in the second line could be related by the materials of adjective and adverb confusion. Nah, Gatan harus tahu di paragraf pertama baris kedua, aduh saya harus nyari hubungannya dengan materi. Yang penting, the most important thing you have known about the function, fungsi dari adjective apa, fungsi dari adverb apa, lalu ada perbedaannya kenapa dibilang is called confusion. Dari confusion ini, confusion karena if you use regular word dengan irregular word, that is different uses. Is it clear, Gatan? Yang quite hard yang mana, Gatan?
To find the example, Miss. Jadi di reading text punya pertambangan itu jarang banget pakai adverbs atau adjectives.
Oh, untuk ini nih salah nih, Gatan. Jadi dari reading text tidak ada hubungannya dengan materi. Jadi pure, ya, no analyzing, jangan dianalisis dulu. Jadi masih asli artikelnya. Hanya berupa misalnya dari pertambangan, misalnya judulnya apa? Istilah-istilah pertambangan. Coba, Gatan. Misalnya apa?
Misal kayak disposals, entailing.
Nah, oke. Tapi ada berupa itu kan, misalnya fungsi dari materi yang disebutkan artikelnya apa, lalu karakteristiknya ini berupa artikel, baru nanti dianalisis oleh temannya. Dihubungkan ke adjective sama adverb. Jadi Gatan ini yang dibilang quite hard, mencari adverb and adjective dihubungkan ke jurusan kalian. That is false. Hanya asli, ya, free article talking about one title. Judulnya satu aja. Misalnya mengenai apa ya, batu, stone. Bicarakan mengenai stone-nya, ambil langsung kopas aja dari internet or it's up to you from other source. Baru nanti be analyze ini untuk being interactive with me and your friends. Is it clear? Gatan? Makanya minggu depan Ibu akan I will check it out from all the PowerPoints. Ya? Clear? Iya, jangan
Clear, Miss.
nggak ada hubungannya adjective sama adverb semua juga bingung nanti.